All right, we'll move to comparison now. So this is a very standard use case. Let's say, for example, for finance guys, accounting guys, okay, you get a bank statement as a PDF. All right, your team has done some data entry in your softwares. You get an Excel sheet from there, and you try to reconcile both of them. All right, what we will do, I will show you something here. Okay, I will quickly go to my folder which has yellow belt data set. Okay, you see that what I have done here, bank reconciliation, I have a ledger from the bank. I have an HDFC bank statement here. I have a ledger from the bank. Okay, that means I can give both these documents and I would ask Claude to check if the ledgers reconcile. If not, what are the problems? All right. So I will quickly show you what I'm doing. We have two files, a bank statement and an Excel sheet. We intend to reconcile them and create a reconciliation review sheet automatically. Identify the match transactions. This is what I want to do. Identify the exceptions where there are problems. Mark it bank only, books only if it is available in bank, not in ledger. If it is available in ledger, not in bank, it will be book only. Amount mismatch, date mismatch, and also create a summary for me. All right. So what I will do now, like previous time, I will copy this prompt. You will have this prompt with you when we send you the Excel sheet. I will simply create a new task. Okay. This time I will change my folder. I will move my folder to yellow belt. Data set was, file should be on desktop. It says yellow belt session 9. Data set in my case is bank reconciliation. I will say open. What I'll do is allow it. Okay. I will just remove the previous folder. So there was the previous folder also selected. Now I am just pasting this prompt. As I said, please note one very important thing. My bank statement is called HDFC bank statement April 2025. In my prompt, I am not writing this name. I am saying I have two files in my bank reconciliation folder. Bank statement PDF. Nowhere I am mentioning the PDF name is HDFC bank statement April 2025. I say that there is a bank ledger Excel from my software. Nowhere I am mentioning that it is bank ledger April 25 Excel. Claude is smart enough to derive that if you are saying this, what do you mean? What could be the possible file name so that it is able to create an output? I hope that makes sense. I hope you understand this. Now I am saying reconcile these two, create sheet 1, which is match transaction, sheet 2, which is exceptions, sheet 3, which is a summary. All right. And right now, right in front of you, I'll click on send. Okay. It has started its work. On the right, you will be able to see all the progress. Okay. And in the meantime, as I said, it says, I will reconcile your bank statement and cash book. Let me first look at and invoke the skill. Now, I will show you that, what are the other things other people, I mean, your departments can do. For HR, you can have a PDF of all the pay slips. All right. You can have a salary register in Excel sheet. You can compare them and verify if there are any problems. You have a, EPFO or a PF statement, which are in PDF, your company PF Excel sheet records. You have attendance biometric PDFs and you have a leave register. You can actually compare all those using automated skills. Sales department can, compare POs of customers, order booking Excel sheet, distributor commissions and internal commission tools. All right. Supplier invoices, operations teams can do POs and supplier invoices. Okay. Procurement teams can also do that. Operations team can do delivery challan and dispatch register can be automatically matched. Okay. Tech departments can actually see all the PDF invoices from multiple Claude tools and they can actually see the cost allocation Excel sheet. You can actually compare budget versus actual spends. Okay, you have a budget Excel sheet, you have actual spends coming from your invoices, you can compare both and do a difference amounts also. Marketing teams can do, campaign budget Excel comparison with media agency invoices, event expenses versus the budget. Finance department, apart from bank reconciliation, can do vendor reconciliation, credit card statement understanding, and GSTR PDF, I mean, to be versus your purchase register. All right, let's go to Claude and see what it has done. it has been able to identify both the files. It says that the bank has 41 transactions. It says that the document has 41 plus reconciliation notes flagging the known differences. Now it is again, as I said, creating the Excel sheet. Okay. And we will see the output in the meantime very quickly. We will see what Claude is doing for us. All right. Do you think something like this will be useful when you are trying to do your work? Do you have PDF and Excel comparisons, or PDF and PDF comparisons, or Excel and Excel comparisons? Can you probably give me one or two examples in chat where you have PDF and PDF comparisons, Excel and Excel comparisons? If you can give me one or two examples in chat, I'll be able to understand, if something like this is useful to all you guys. If anybody can put it in chat, if you have any comparisons that you do regularly, so that we understand, something like this will be very important. Okay, you see bank reconciliation, bank and cash. So as I said, I've given you some examples already. If you can give me something beyond these examples, we will be able to understand, you guys are doing it regularly. Every day you do these things where you reconcile a few things, where you compare things, you do budget comparisons, etc., etc. If you can probably tell me if something like this is very important to you. All right, we'll just quickly see where Claude is. It is writing the file for us. So that means now it is on the right. You will be able to see that it has matched and classified transactions. It is now producing an Excel workbook with 3 sheets. Okay, and once that is done, it will verify the totals for us. Okay, and you will see a file coming up here. We can compare two documents in yes, you can do that. Once you put two documents here as an input, it will automatically consider that, and it will compare it and give it to you as an output. What are the differences? Okay, I'll show you a small example. In the meantime, Claude is creating our document. This is what we would see. All right, so you see that there is a sheet 1 which talks about match transactions. There are exceptions, and then there is summary. All right, match transactions, it has been automatically able to match 36 items, and the status is matched, the amounts have matched. Please note, there is a date here which is of bank, there is a date here which is of books. That means date, it is giving you both the dates together. Description mentioned in bank, the narration mentioned in books, the bank reference, voucher number in your books, and the amount. All right, and all these transactions have matched. The exceptions, there is a date mismatch in this, there is an amount mismatch in this transaction, there is an amount mismatch in this transaction. This entry is only available in bank. These are the entries which are only available inside your books. All right, so Claude will be able to create this, and I'll show you live right now. It has been able to create our file also. I'll show it to you here. All right, on the chat also it is giving you all this. Please check. It was able to reconcile my April 2025 bank statement. Both the files have been extracted, both have been parsed. All right, 36 transactions of 41 match, as we saw. 7 items reconciliation is pending, and a standard document, it has been created. I'll show it to you in folder. You see this earlier, this folder had only two things, bank ledger and bank statement. Let's quickly open the reconciliation report it has just created for us. I'll quickly show it to you here. Please check. This is 459. That means the file was created just now, 459. You see this matched. 36 items have come out as matched. You see amount is a mismatch here. Amount is a mismatch here. I will quickly open this to show you. So on 22nd, there is an amount 84,500 in Bajaj Finance. All right. On 22nd of April, this is my bank statement. Bajaj Finance has 84,500. All right. I will quickly open my ledger. This was the software ledger. Okay. On 22nd, Bajaj Finance has 85,000. Do you see this? There is 85,000 mentioned here for Bajaj Finance, and our Excel, our PDF said 84,500. That means during the time of data entry, probably my team member has done a mistake, and because of that, Claude was able to immediately point it out and tell me that there is an amount mismatch of 500 rupees, and it has clearly mentioned you the reason also, and also the difference. Do you think something like this is very important, especially the finance guys? All right, there is again an amount mismatch. There is a date mismatch here. You have books only. There are some entries which are only in books, some entries which are only in bank. All right, I can quickly show you a date mismatch also. There is a record which says GST payment of April. Okay, and this is on 25th of April in bank, 26th of April in books. So I will just quickly open bank. In bank, it is on 25th of April. Okay, and I'll show you the Excel sheet. In Excel sheet, that same entry is on 26th of April. All right. So that means even the date difference has been compared, the amount difference has been compared, everything has been compared correctly, and the output is right in front of you within minutes. This reconciliation otherwise takes hours. This has been done within minutes by Claude. All right. How many of you think that something like this is very powerful? All right. And the next exercise that I'm going to show you and the automation after that that I will show you, all right, would automatically save all your validations, all your policies inside your company within Claude. And next time you don't even have to mention your policies. All the policies will be pre-mentioned. You just have to write Excel sheet, do this, Excel sheet, do this, and no policy to be mentioned. Everything will be automatically done. How many of you feel that this is very useful, very important, and this can help you save a lot of time? If you can probably write the word save in chat, I will be able to understand, something like this will save a lot of time for you. Very nice. I see Srinivas writing in save. Very nice. Anybody else who feels it will save West? Very nice. I see Bob also saying that it will save his time. Great. And as I said, all of this has been put in the PDF also. I see Poonam suggesting save. Very nice. You see, this is the output which we saw. This is the match transactions. These are the match transactions part 2. These were the errors. And these were, okay, I will quickly show you the summary sheet also. Okay. The third summary sheet was something like this: opening balances, the mismatch, time saving. Very nice. Very good to see all this. Very good to see that people will say that this will be able to save time for them. So nice. And as I said, please note these were created just now. 4:59 is the creation time. That means Claude has created these documents. I did not go on my Excel sheet and do this. See the summary. It gives me summary also. Okay. Opening balances are same. It says that the closing balances have a difference of this, and this will be explained below. It has explained you everything here. It says that there are entry differences in terms of date, in terms of amount, reconciliation result, and this is the summary of your output. Okay, so summary was created, exceptions were created, and match transactions were created. All right. And I see that, a lot of people feel that this will save their time. Now we will move to something. In this case, after we are done with the output, very nice. I see Dinesh saying that the reconciliation is awesome. Very nice. I hope these things help you a lot in your day-to-day work. The idea of this entire series is to make sure that you become proficient and very efficient with AI. And you are able to save a lot of time for yourself and your team members, and automatically that happens good thing for the organization.